Take a look at your dog right now. Maybe they're sleeping on the couch, twitching in a dream. Maybe they're staring at you with those big, soulful eyes, hoping for a treat. Now, what if I told you that furry friend, that loyal companion, could be a secret gold mine? What if that pup could earn more than most people earn in a month? It sounds crazy, right? Like something out of a movie. But we're not talking about Hollywood animal actors. We're talking about a new breed of entrepreneur, the petfluencer. And on this channel, Facts About Money 101, we break down the formulas for financial success, even the most unexpected ones. Today, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to potentially turn your pet's cuteness into cold, hard cash. Let's meet our case study. We'll call her Bella. Bella isn't a rare exotic breed. She's not the winner of a national dog show. She's an average, goofy, lovable pupper who was just hanging out in our backyard. But her owner saw potential. Her owner saw a formula. Today, Bella is what the industry calls a top petfluencer, raking in serious cash every single month. And the best part, it all started part-time. Some of these dog influencers pull in well over $1,000 a month just from ad revenue. That doesn't even count the free products, premium food, designer toys, custom-made beds that show up at their door just for being cute. Top-tier pets can net over $120,000 a year from TikTok ad revenue and brand partnerships alone. This isn't a lottery. It isn't a coincidence. It's a formula. And I'm about to break down every single step for you. So grab a notepad, give your pet a scratch behind the ears, and let's get started. Part 1. The foundation. Niche is everything. So how did Bella's owner do it? The first and most critical mistake people make is thinking, my dog is cute, I'll just post pictures. That's like saying, I have a stove, so I'm a chef. The internet is flooded with cute pets. To stand out, you have to find a niche. You have to become the go-to source for something specific. Think about what makes your pet unique, or what you, as an owner, are passionate about. Let's look at the most successful niches. First, there's the pet toy tester. Don't just show your dog playing with a toy, turn it into a review. Create short, snappy videos showing the unboxing, your dog's initial reaction, and then a one-week follow-up showing if the toy survived. Brands love this. It's authentic, user-generated content they can use, and viewers love it because it helps them make purchasing decisions. Second, consider the grooming hacks. Maybe your dog has a specific type of fur that's hard to manage. Document your journey. Share tips on the best brushes, DIY pet-safe shampoos, or how to trim nails without a fuss. You're not just showing a clean dog, you're solving a problem for thousands of other pet owners. That's value. Or maybe your dog is a little trickster. That brings us to the trick clips niche. But we're going beyond sit and stay. Teach your dog to put their own toys away, to bring you a drink from the fridge, or to perform a funny multi-step routine. This kind of content has massive viral potential because it's entertaining and showcases a strong bond between you and your pet. Bella's owner chose the toy tester niche. They focused only on that. Every post, every video was about a new toy. They became the authority on durable chew toys for medium-sized dogs. That focus is what built their initial loyal audience. So your first step is to choose your lane. Don't be a general store, be a specialty boutique. Part 2, the engine, content and engagement. Once you have a niche, you need to build a community. This is where most people fail a second time. They post content and just wait. You have to be proactive. You have to engage. Bella's owner turned her social media page into an interactive clubhouse. They ran weekly Q&A sessions, where followers could ask anything about Bella's training, her favorite treats, or the toughest toy she ever faced. They used polls constantly. Should Bella try the blue ball or the red squirrel next? Vote for next week's trick. This simple act does something psychologically powerful. It gives your audience a sense of ownership and involvement. It's not just their dog anymore, it's our dog. And then the magic of giveaways. They partnered with a small, up-and-coming pet toy company. The deal was simple. The company provides a free product for the giveaway, and to enter, followers had to follow both Bella and the toy company's page. It was a win-win. The audience got free stuff, Bella's page got a surge of new, highly relevant followers, and the small brand got exposure. The key here is consistency. A post every day, a new video review every Friday, a Q&A every Sunday. You are training the algorithm and your audience to expect content from you. You're becoming a reliable part of their daily scroll. Part 3, the payday. Monetization. Okay, so you have a niche and an engaged audience. Now, how do we get to the money? This is where you transform from a hobbyist into a business. The first thing you need to do is build a media kit. This is a 1 or 2 page digital resume for your pet. It includes their name, breed, a few high-quality photos, and most importantly, the stats, your follower count, your average number of likes and comments, that's your engagement rate, and a little bit about your audience demographics if you have them. This makes you look professional. It shows brands you're serious. Next, you start your outreach. Don't go straight for the big national brands. Start small. Reach out to local pet boutiques or Etsy sellers that make custom bandanas. Your pitch shouldn't be, "Pay me to post." It should be, "My dog Bella is a huge fan of your brand, and we have an engaged audience of fellow dog lovers. We'd love to feature your product in a post in exchange for a sample." This is a low-risk way to get your first yes and build a portfolio of collaborations. Once you have a few of those under your belt, you can start asking for more. Offer to become a brand ambassador in exchange for affiliate links. This means you get a special link to their product, and every time someone from your audience buys through that link, you get a commission. Now you're earning passive income. As your audience grows, brands will start coming to you, and that's when you can start charging for sponsored posts. Your media kit will justify your rates. You can command hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a single video because you've proven you can drive sales and engagement. This is exactly how Bella went from being a backyard pup to a monthly paycheck powerhouse. It was a strategic, step-by-step climb. Part 4, the reality check. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have a fancy camera or a studio. Here's the most amazing part. You don't need any of it. Top petfluencer Chaz, a real-life example, made $35,000 in a single month with just her phone. Let me repeat that. $35,000 with the same device you're probably watching this on right now. The quality of your smartphone camera is more than enough. What matters more is good lighting. Natural light from a window is best, and clear audio if you're talking. What truly matters is your consistency, your creativity, and a whole lot of your pet's natural fur-covered charm. This isn't about big budgets, it's about big ideas and consistent effort. And one final crucial point, this must be fun for your pet. The moment it feels like a chore, the moment your pet isn't enjoying it, the authenticity is gone, and so is the magic. The best petfluencer content comes from a place of genuine love and play. The camera is just capturing the joy that's already there. So let's recap the formula. 1. Find a specific niche. Be the toy tester, the grooming guru, or the trick master. 2. Build a community through consistent, engaging content. Use polls, Q&As, and giveaways. 3. Monetize professionally. Build a media kit, start with small collaborations, and work your way up to paid partnerships and affiliate deals. In just a few months of dedicated strategic effort, Bella went from being a family pet to a family business. So, would you try this pet hustle? Look at your pet. They're already a master of grabbing attention. They're already the star of your life. Why not share that starlight with the world? And maybe, just maybe, have them start contributing to the treat fund and the rent. If you're ready to explore turning your pet into a powerhouse, drop a dog face emoji in the comments below. And for more no-nonsense guides to turning your passions into profit, make sure you're subscribed to Facts About Money 101. Now go give that future superstar a belly rub. They've earned it.